August 12, 2025, and The Simpsons already predicted it. Yes, you read that right. In a controversial episode of The Simpsons 1 that many tried to hide, there's a shocking scene. The date August 12, 2025 clearly shown next to a terrifying headline. Donald Trump found dead, and it doesn't stop there. In the episode, Trump is shown inside a luxurious room, surrounded by secret documents, nervously talking on the phone when suddenly, he collapses. The clock on the wall stops exactly at 7:42 a.m., the creepiest part, just seconds before. The camera focuses on a newspaper lying on the floor with the phrase, "Someone very powerful will be silenced." And if that wasn't enough, a strange shadow appears reflected in the glass. Just moments before it all happens. Who is it? This episode was never officially aired. It briefly circulated online, and then mysteriously disappeared. Some say it's just another Simpsons joke, but what if it's not? What if this is yet another prediction? Donald Trump will die on August 12, 2025, and The Simpsons already
It's just a cigarette, and it cannot be that bad.
Honey, don't you love me?
Many men wish death upon me. Blood in my eye, dog, and I can't see. I'm trying to be what I'm destined to be, and niggas trying to take my life away.
It's just a cigarette.